Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning stock market and volatility report. This is Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to said report. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Trade options at your own risk. Be careful. Here's our weekly schedule. Now, we have Thursday and Friday off, but we do mentoring. We have classes. It's a little light this week, but we're going to be gone. Also, if you want to learn more stuff, try our store. Alicia just redid it. It looks quite nice. All kinds, beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses, CE credit, all kinds of stuff at Option Pit if you want to learn how to trade options. And with this, we'll go to, okay, this is what we got. What we got is not a lot. So the G20 came out. It looks like there's a lock for some kind of small interest rate drop, but not very much. That will, of course, be sensitive. That's probably the only thing holding VIX up at this point. The market very close to all-time highs, and we're sitting here waiting for something to happen. What you can see is, I thought vol was pretty low yesterday, and I'm feeling wrong at least right now. Volatility all along here. We're now in single-digit volatility out until July ordinary expiration. That is pretty darn low. So, I mean, the only thing I look at for us in our chat room today is we'll look at some more time spreads. 9 volatility when VIX is 13.5 is pretty dang cheap. We'll see if there's anything that sets up, but anything really short term has been is at best been a wash, but for the most part not keeping up with the drop in volatility. So vol is dropping short term. At least we're, I would say at this point, we have a 2.5 day holiday. We got the weekend. It's almost really like a 4.5 day holiday. But we do have a half a day Wednesday, and we do have a full day Friday. So there is some trade there. There will likely not be a whole lot happening. And if you look at VIX, right, you're seeing like this July 17 future is 1462. It is starting to, I would say, create like some sort of normal contango, even with the holiday coming in. So it wouldn't surprise me if we see VIX drop another 50 cents between now and tomorrow. And just waiting for something to happen. SPX up, everything is just flat. So until we have a tweet or something else, I'm just looking for things to sort of, sag. All the action we had in oil seems to be a little gone. All of those big macro things that were making life interesting, TLT has slowed down. And I think gold is also just, now it's just kind of sitting. That's what we have. It's not a super exciting market. One thing we will look at today in the chat, though, we will look at some earnings plays. We have earnings in 2 weeks. One thing that you're seeing now is they are so discounting the volatility because of the holiday that like cheap calls, if you want to try to catch a flyer into some of the tech earnings, like some of the bigger names like Intel, Microsoft, Google, something like that, that could take a little bit of a flyer. We could price those. They might be relatively cheap. All right. And I think that's about it. And a hedge with short-term SPY puts. They're not volatility. They're nothing. So very inexpensive to do that. And with that, I will see some of you in the chat room today. All right, everybody, have a good day.